Hey, what's up everybody? Today while I'm filming this video is the last day of 2018 and I just want to shoot this really quick video reflecting and reviewing my 2018 because 2018 has been the best year of my life so far. Now, if you're watching this video, you only have two options. You either watch it to the very end to get the full message, or you stop watching and leave right now. I know some of you will definitely leave in the middle, but I don't want that to be you because there's no point watching and admiring another person's success without getting the entire message and learning what it takes. Similarly, this video is not for me to brag and I don't want this video to be about me only. Yes, I'll share with you the success I have achieved this year, but more importantly, I want to share with you the behind the scene of how I achieved it. So at the end of 2017, I officially completed my 2-year compulsory national service in Singapore, which gave me a fresh start in 2018. For those of you who don't know me yet, I'm 21 years old, and for most 21-year-old guys in Singapore, they are told to finish their national service and then embark on their university education. My parents wanted that, of course, so I was supposed to be enrolled in the National University of Singapore this year 2018, which many of my friends did. If I were to follow the traditional path and listen to my parents, I would never have achieved the successes I have today. Now, what are the successes I'm talking about? I went from completely broke with only $8.72 in my bank account while paying $5,000 to $6,000 in debt to creating a full-time passive income online and living the laptop lifestyle. I bought my very first brand new customized MacBook Pro 2018 and my first DSLR camera. I qualified for an all-expense paid trip to Las Vegas in 2019 where I get to mastermind with many successful affiliate marketers. And I'll be sharing more details with you in a few weeks time for my Las Vegas trip. Make sure you subscribe to my channel so that you won't miss it. Last but not least, I ended my 4-year long-distance relationship with my girlfriend because we are finally staying together. These are the 4 main achievements I had when I look back at my 2018. But like I've said, I'm not here to brag and there's really no point for me to show off, especially when there are many young people out there who are more successful and make more money than me. But what's different is that I am willing to share. So how did I achieve these results? Obviously, I don't come from a rich family and my parents were against me dropping out from college, just like many others. Neither did I get lucky and won a lottery, things like that. So here are my 3 keys to success: clarity, purpose, consistency. I know many of you have heard all of these many times in your life, but are you getting the results you want? If not, let me explain. Number 1, clarity. What is clarity? Clarity is knowing what you want. Now, the number 1 reason you are not getting what you want is because you don't know what you want. A lot of people today simply follow what the traditional society told them to do. So they listen to their parents, go to good school, get good grades, find a good job, and secure a stable income. If that's the way to get rich and get the things you want, then everybody should be rich and get what they want. But the truth is that many people today are not satisfied with their lives. So obviously that's not the path for you to get to where you want to be in life. You really need to take some time to talk to yourself. Ask yourself, what is it that you really want? If you're studying, ask yourself, why are you studying that particular subject? Will that study get you to where you want to be in life? Or you are just studying because you don't know what to do, or your parents ask you to study so that you can get a good job. If you're working, ask yourself, will that job get to where you want to be in life? If the answer is no, then you gotta do something different, because if you keep doing what you've always done, then you'll keep getting what you've always gotten. I know 99% of the people working for a job right now is because of money. But do you really think that working at your current job for the next 5 to 10 years will allow you to achieve the financial and time freedom you want? Most probably not. But I'm not asking you to quit your job now. What I want you to think of is how to get rid of that job to get both financial and time freedom. If you have no idea how to make that happen, my recommendation to you is to invest in your own self-education first. Go read books, attend seminars, surround yourself with highly successful people so that you can learn the right mindset to get there. That's why clarity is power. The first key to success is to know what you really want. If you don't know yet, don't worry, go and find out. And then the second key to success is purpose. The number 2 reason why you are not getting what you want is because you don't know why you want it. So after knowing what you want, you need to understand why you want it. Is it the lifestyle, time, health, family, influence, impact, contribution? It's never about the money. Money is just a tool to get you what you want. If you're always chasing after that goddamn money, it will always run away from you. But I'm not saying money isn't important. Money is very important. Just that don't let money be your end goal. You need a big enough reason to make that money. Similarly, money will not bring you happiness. It's what you can do with the money that brings you happiness. This includes things like having the time freedom to spend quality time with your family, or having the fun to pursue whatever passion you have, or having the financial capability to contribute and help others. All these activities can bring you happiness and fulfillment, not the money itself. There's a saying that says, the bigger your why, the smaller your how. If your reason and your purpose to achieve your goals is strong enough, you will eventually find a way to get there no matter what obstacles lie in front of you. Does that make sense? For me, I know exactly what I want and why I want it. I want to marry my girlfriend as soon as possible and travel the world with her. She's always my motivation to work because I love her. Yes, I need money in order to take my girlfriend around the world and live the lifestyle we want. But can you see that money is not my end goal? I have a big enough reason to make that money. Some of you may not understand this, but there's a huge difference here. Think about it and watch this video again if needed. So what is it that you want and why do you want it? These questions are very important. Most people think that they know what they want, but in reality, they don't. They just think that I need more money, I need more money, I need more money. For what? What do you need the money for? And then lastly, you need consistency. Knowing what you want and why you want it is not enough. Things will not happen by just hoping and praying. You need to put in the work consistently. For me, the way I built my own full-time passive income within just a few months' time is because I hustled. I worked consistently for a prolonged period of time. For more than 6 months this year, I sat in front of my laptop at least 8 hours a day working on my website, publishing at least 1 post a day. I believe not many people can do that, not because of their work or other commitments, but because of the patience and consistency that is needed. My passive income did not come immediately, meaning that I was willing to work for free for a few months to build that passive income up. And this is the same for any business or anything you do. As long as you know your direction, you gotta put in the work consistently despite not seeing any results in the beginning. If you have heard of these 3 terms, clarity, purpose, and consistency in the past, but you're still not getting the results you want and live the lifestyle you desire, do you know what's the problem? Have you thought about that? Now let me tell you the answer. The reason you're not getting what you want is because you simply know it, but you didn't actually do it, take action, and stick with it. Am I right? When I reflect back at my own success in 2018, I can see that I knew exactly what I want, why I wanted it, and I was willing to take action and put in the work no matter what. To be successful, sacrifices are necessary. Successful people do what unsuccessful people don't do or don't want to do. So if you're not willing to sacrifice your weekends, your parties, most probably you'll just be the same as those people around you and not achieve anything greater. I hope this makes sense to you, and I really hope that you can get this message and put it into action instead of letting this be another motivational video that you watch and forget. So I want you to reflect and ask yourself these few questions. What's your biggest achievement in 2018? What's your biggest regret in 2018? What are you most grateful for in 2018? And lastly, what can you do better in 2019? Right now, I'm really grateful that because of my hard work, I'm able to live the laptop lifestyle and never have to be hired and work for a boss for the rest of my life. Well, I did get employed for a few weeks in 2018 when I was working part-time at a hotel buffet restaurant. That's during the time when I was still building up my passive income online. So this further emphasizes the point that building passive income is not easy. It takes a lot of time and hard work, but it's worth it. Now moving on to 2019, I have a bunch of plans and exciting work to do, but the most important thing for me right now is to complete my affiliate marketing course in Chinese, because I have a bunch of people waiting for it. If you understand Chinese and you're interested to join my Chinese affiliate marketing course, there will be a link for you to sign up either above or below this video. But if you don't understand Chinese, don't worry, you can get access to the exact same platform which I started out from scratch to building my full-time passive income online. Same thing, look for the link either above or below this video to sign up. Happy New Year, and I wish you a fulfilling year ahead. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and turn on the notification bell so that you won't miss my future videos. I'll be sharing my trip to Vegas and many more. Last but not least, do follow me on Instagram for my latest updates, and please give me a thumbs up if you find this video helpful. I'll see you in the next video.